During acute inflammation, inflammatory cells are recruited to the site of injury, where they carry out phagocytosis of dead cells and microbes. To help them reach the site of injury, our body produces certain adhesion molecules which help them roll over the endothelium and cross the endothelium. They then reach the extravascular space and finally to the damaged site. We will study about these adhesion molecules in detail today. These molecules belong to molecular families like selectins, immunoglobulin family, and integrins. There are three types of selectin molecules: E-selectin, E-selectin, and L-selectin. E-selectin and E-selectin are present on endothelium, and L-selectin on leukocytes. E-selectin is also expressed on platelets. These are expressed on cell surface in response to cytokines such as tumor necrosis factor and interleukin-1, which are secreted by tissue macrophages and mast cells. Other mediators like histamine helps in redistribution of P-selectin on cell surface. This P-selectin molecule is stored within granules of endothelial cells. Due to histamine, they are released and expressed on cell surface. Sialylated oligosaccharide, Silyl Lewis, which is present on surface of leukocytes, serve as ligand for E-selectin and P-selectin. And mucin-like glycoprotein present on endothelium is ligand for L-selectin. These interactions between ligands and selectin molecules are weak, so leukocytes attach to endothelium and soon detach. As a result, rolling occurs. Now, let us study about the role of integrins. These molecules are normally expressed on surface of leukocytes in low affinity state. During inflammation, chemokines get attached to surface of endothelium and activate the leukocytes. Activation of leukocytes increase the affinity of integrins. Since the affinity of integrins is now high, the leukocytes bind firmly to endothelium. For leukocytes to bind to endothelium, certain ligands for integrins are expressed on endothelial surface in response to cytokines, tumor necrosis factor, and interleukin-1. These ligands are intercellular adhesion molecule 1, which binds to beta-2 integrin, and second is vascular cell adhesion molecule 1, which binds to beta-1 integrin molecule. So now, due to firm adhesion, leukocytes stop rolling and spread on endothelial surface. They are now ready to migrate towards damaged site. Platelet endothelial cell adhesion molecule is a molecule involved in migration of leukocytes to extravascular space.